Disclaimer, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. If you're in the space of meme coins, then you probably already know this. The fastest, easiest, most consistent way for you to make money is rug pulling. Not trading, not trying to flip coins, not following a KOL's wallet, but rug pulling. Because 98% of coins that are launched onto Pump Fund are built to fail on purpose. Developers will launch them with one very specific goal: take money from traders who don't understand the game. And it works because the game is rigged. You will always buy in after the developer, they will always sell and profit, so why wouldn't they launch 100 coins a day if it means consistent profit from each and every one of them? I mean, ask yourself, why would you keep trying to outtrade people who literally designed the chart that you're gambling on? Why fight developers, bots, snipers, bundles, and hundreds of other traders when you could literally just launch the coin and walk away in profit every single time? That is why good developers will make more in a few days than most traders will make in a year. And if we click on any single coin that's doing well, this coin right here, the very first coin, we will most likely see this in action, and we do. The developer walked away with $111 in profit. Every other trader lost money. If we go to the developer's wallet, we will see he has made $15,000 in around 33 days. So 33 days, $15,000, we just saw in action, and that is the power of being a developer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rug pull profitably. And this is probably the first time you're learning from someone who's an actual developer and not a wannabe guru. So full screen this video because it can literally change your life. Let's begin. So you're watching this because you want to learn how to rug pull. You understand that if you learn this, you will make a lot more money than trading, a lot more money than doing anything else within the crypto meme coin markets. And there are many, many different ways to make money as the developer. You can soft rug, where that involves, launching a coin, marketing it, and very slowly selling bits of your bundled position. You can hard rug, which is, you launch a coin, and then you take out the liquidity, you hard rug it. You can pump and dump, where you do a lot of marketing, then you dump the coin. You can launch for creator rewards, where you just launch really good memes, and hopefully they take off and you get paid with the creator rewards. Or you can do pump fund launches. Now, the method that allows a beginner to make the most amount of money with the lowest amount of capital and time is pump fund launches. And this is due to the most amount of traders, the most amount of volume is on pump fund, right? Everyone wants to scalp a coin at 5k and ride a wave to 1 million. That is what traders want to do. That is their main objective. So they are all sat on Axiom trying to find the next big coin. And that is what this video will be about. I will explain and show you exactly how you can start printing money by launching meme coins onto pump fund. And this is how and why it works. So traders like Orangey sit on CT trackers. There are thousands of them, if not tens of thousands at any given moment in time. They sit on something called a CT tracker, which means crypto Twitter tracker. And it looks something like this. In fact, we can see it right here. So they will sit on this and they will wait for a potential tweet that can be formed into a meme coin. For example, if they are sat on the CT tracker and a tweet comes out from a very big Twitter account saying there is a 53% chance of Elon Musk becoming a trillionaire before 2029. Traders will see this, and then they will go onto Axiom and wait for a developer to make a coin based off of this exact tweet. And as we can see here, they will then jump onto Axiom like this, and they will wait. And a developer did make a coin based on this exact tweet with the same logo, the same name, Trillion Elon Moon. Obviously, this is a very bad developer, and that's why he got no volume. But this is the concept. Traders will sit on here, they will wait for a good tweet, they will then jump onto Axiom within a second, or they will even have this side by side, and they will wait for a developer to make a coin and then buy it. And if that tweet and meme coin is worthy, they will buy and try to make money. This is what trading on pump fund is. This is what everyone wants to do. They want to find a tweet, jump onto Axiom, buy that coin at 5k market cap, at 7k market cap, and then hopefully that coin will migrate onto Radium and it will go to 500k market cap, and they will get a 100x. But literally every single time a trader buys a coin, literally any coin they click on, if they were to buy that coin, someone will buy in before them, and that person is the developer. The developer buys first every single time. So if literally any trader buys, he is already profiting from that position. And this is exactly how developers make thousands of dollars per day. If we go onto Axiom, and this isn't specially selected, I'm not one of them fake YouTube gurus, we click on this coin, we can see already the developer has bought $2,700 and he has sold $2,800. We can see here that if we go to the top traders, he has made $64 in the space of 54 seconds. We click onto his wallet, let's see how much this developer has made. He's made $3,300 in literally 1 day. So right now, at the time of recording this video, it is December the 12th. and it's currently 12 a.m., right? So this developer started launching at 7:54 a.m., let's just say 8 a.m. In 4 hours, he's made $3,300. And we can see here that he keeps launching the same coin over and over again. And every single time he launches a coin, he buys in first. So the developer always buys in first down here. And then any single trader that buys above them, he can literally sell on top of them, extract their positions and extract their liquidity, and the coin will dump and he will make money. Let's try to find another example. And if we click on this coin, right, we can see once again the developer has already sold. He's made $60. Every other trader has lost money. If we click on the developer's wallet, he has made $77,000 in the space of a few months. It's December right now. So in 3 months, this developer has made $77,000. And this is the beauty of this strategy. If we click on his top 100 coins, as you can see, he's probably launched thousands of coins, but his top performing coin only made him $1,400. Because this strategy isn't about you making 100k per coin or 50k per coin or even 1k per coin. This strategy is about you making $200 per coin, $50 per coin, $30 per coin, but then doing this 100 times a day. And if you master the concept of this strategy, you will start to print thousands of dollars per day. And I guarantee you that, because every single developer that we see that is doing this strategy is printing thousands of dollars per day. They are no different to you. They have the same setup. They just know what works and they abuse it. Once again, the developer, as you can see here, developer has made $182. If we click onto his wallet, this is the first coin he's launched. He's made $182. So how do you actually do this? Step number 1 is sign up to UXento, because this is the platform that gives us the CT tracker. And what's convenient about this platform is any coin that we want to release, let's say this coin, we can literally see the tweet that was launched a second ago, click on deploy, input the coin name, the ticker, and then we can deploy the coin or quick deploy it. Now I've left a referral link for UXento and Axiom. With Axiom, you'll get higher cashback. With UXento, you'll get higher rewards. So there is no reason for you to not use the links in the description. And the reason we want to use Axiom instead of Padre or Trojan or any of these other 100 trading platforms out there is because UXento is directly linked to Axiom, because this gives us the option to vamp coins, and vamping coins pretty much means we can click on a coin, and if we think we can do a better job, everything is already pre-selected, we can just change the name and deploy it again. We can also create a coin right here, but more importantly, we can literally see a tweet, click on deploy, and deploy that coin. Now, I'm not going to go over how to configure your settings and optimize them. That is what Viper is for. You can go out there and watch a video. It will take too long. But once you have UXento and Axiom, you are pretty much ready to go. Deposit money. Make sure that you export your private key from UXento and then import it into Axiom. As you can see, I have 2 active wallets. And what this will allow you to do is, let's say we launch a coin here. So we input the name of this coin, we input the ticker, and then if we click on any one of these buttons, we will launch that coin and buy in with this amount. You can change the presets here. But as soon as you launch this coin, literally within a millisecond, it will appear on the new pairs of Axiom. And if you export your private key from UXento and import it into Axiom, you can then click on this coin and you can instantly start selling. So that is why you need to make sure that these 2 platforms are intertwined. So then it's just much easier for you to see a coin and start selling straight away. Now, step number 2, you want to wait for tweets that can be formed into memes and that traders will buy. Now, the way you do this is you go onto UXento, you go onto AIO, and this will give you the crypto Twitter tracker. And pretty much any large account, any celebrity, any rapper, any big crypto influencer, every time they post or follow someone or do anything on Twitter, it will appear here. And then you as the developer, remember, traders will do this. They will sit on here until they see a potential tweet that can be formed into a meme coin. They will then jump onto Axiom and they will try to find that coin and buy it straight away. Us as developers, we want to sit on here until we find a potential tweet that can be formed into a meme coin. And as soon as we see something, we want to click on deploy, input the coin name, input the ticker, and then quick deploy it. And hopefully the traders will also see that tweet. They will then go onto Axiom and they will try and buy this coin as early as possible. And this is 95% of the game. The coin that you release matters the most. It doesn't matter if you buy 1 Solana or 5 Solana or 3 Solana or 0.1 Solana. Traders don't care. They care about the coin, they care about the name, and they care about the ticker. And you want to select the tweets that traders like the most. So these were 3 potential tweets, and I'm going to go over why they are good and why they are bad. Number 1, make no mistake, Trump has just declared war on Europe. If someone was to tweet this, then that will be an amazing meme coin to launch, because this is global. It's not a little Twitter influencer talking about, his new dog that no one cares about. This is global. Traders would buy this instantly. If we take a look at this tweet, what trader cares about this Twitter account with 4K followers talking about Monad? No one cares. No one knows who these guys are. Literally, no one will ever buy this coin because it's just not relevant to them. Everyone knows Donald Trump. This is a global news event. This is a headliner. And compared to this is literally 1,000 times better. This will get 1,000,000 times more buys than this tweet. If we take a look at this, getting started in Pakistan. So this is CZ, the founder of Binance. And if he tweets something about, they're launching crypto services in Pakistan. I mean, that is a news event, but it's not global. Traders wouldn't really care about this. So your goal as a developer is to try and find those tweets that traders will jump on. So as a live example, we could launch a coin based on this, light or dark, but which trader is actually going to care about this and buy it? None of them. However, if we saw something like this, and let's say CZ responded to this meme art that was created about him, this is what traders like. This is a potential meme coin. I mean, I can see this coin, CZ responded, and maybe he even tweeted this, that traders will buy a coin based on CZ and whatever character this is. This could be a potential meme coin. And once again, this is 95% of the game. Tweet that you select matters the most. So this is what you should spend the most time on. And it's not just the tweet, it's also the name, and it's also the ticker. There's no point launching a coin with a 20 character name and a 7 character ticker. It's just too long. Traders don't like that. They like something that's short, that's sweet, that's simple, and that will get traction instantly. So now let's say you find a good quality tweet that can be a potential meme coin that's relevant, that's global, that traders want to buy. You then have to deploy the coin with UXento. So let's say this is talking about some famous character. Let's say this is a global event and everyone knows who this guy is and everyone is interested in what this guy is doing. What do you want to do next? You see this tweet, you will then click on deploy, you will then input the coin name, input the ticker, make sure that it's short, sweet, simple, easy to read, and then you want to click on quick deploy. Now, depending on your budget, as soon as you click any one of these buttons, the coin will be launched onto Pump Fund, onto Axiom, and your developing wallet will buy in with whatever amount you press. So let's say you have a small budget, you can do 0.1 Solana for the mediocre coins that you release, you can do 0.3 Solana for the coins that are high quality, and 0.5 Solana for the coins that you know will do super well. As soon as you click this button, the coin goes live. And then step number 4 is sell, rinse, and repeat. As soon as you click on the quick deploy, your coin goes live. And if it's a good quality coin, traders will literally be sat on here and they will start buying it instantly. As you can see, this coin, it was released 9 seconds ago. And there is already a lot of volume. The developer has just sold. He's made $30 and he's made 50k during his developing career, which has lasted a few months. So then you would launch a coin, and let's say it is this one right here on Axiom, like this. Let's say this is our coin. You would then click on it, and if your UXento wallet is connected to your Axiom wallet, you would then literally click on sell and start selling 25%, 50%, 100%, whatever you want to do. Now, you would do this after some traders buy in. So the chart will look like this. The coin will be launched, your developing wallet will already buy, and then hopefully traders start buying your coin. And you can either sell 25% here, and hopefully more of them keep buying, or you can sell everything, click on sell 100%, and the graph will crash like this, and you can walk away, rinse and repeat this strategy over and over again. And the beauty of this is, if you launch a really good quality coin, and I've seen this happen hundreds of times, it's even happened to me, and you sell everything for, let's say, $100 in profit, but the coin is really good, and traders keep buying your coin, and it goes to, 500k market cap. Even though you have no position in this coin, if the coin goes to 500k market cap, you're probably going to make somewhere around $5,000. And this is because your coin will get volume. And if you launch a coin on Pump Fund, you'll be paid out with the creator rewards. So every time someone buys or sells your coin, it brings you volume. And you get paid anywhere between 0.05% to 0.95% of the total fees that this coin generates. So even the worst case scenario that you sell everything for $100 and it goes to 500k, if you kept your position, you would have made, $100,000 in profit. You are still going to make a bucket load of money with the creator rewards. And this is literally the one strategy where if you don't have a lot of money or you don't have a lot of time, if you master it, you can go onto UXento, you can go onto Axiom, you can sit by your laptop or by your desktop for 2 hours a day and walk away with $1,000 in profit, $3,000 in profit, $5,000 in profit. It all depends on the coins you release, how much you buy in, and where you sell. And once you do this strategy one single time successfully, you will understand that you can literally rinse and repeat this and launch 100 coins a day. And that is what developers are currently doing. This isn't some magic launching strategy. Developers do this every single day. And as you can see, 30 seconds ago, the developer has already sold. He has made $78 in 30 seconds. If we click onto his wallet, he's made $100,000 in less than 1 month. In fact, it's been around 20 days. 20 days, $100,000. That is the potential of this strategy. And every single developer that I've showed you, without specially selecting them, they've made thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, you need to ask yourself, are you going to, keep watching these videos and maybe try it? Or are you just going to try it and start making money? You don't need to be smart. You don't need to have 100k like some of these other strategies. You just need to put the work in and you will get paid, I guarantee you. If you want to fast track your success, then join Viber. I have a full course on how to do this. I explain where to sell, how to name your coin, which tweets to select specifically, how to set up your settings, as well as all of these other strategies. And so far, I have not had a single negative review because I genuinely believe that I'm the only real developer on here. Everyone else is scamming you, telling you to use bundle bots that don't work so that they can get paid a commission. The only product that I've ever sold is Viper. And if it was bad, then people would leave negative reviews, but people don't, because I'm the only developer who has actually done this and made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this, and I teach you exactly how to do it A to Z, whether you're a complete beginner or you've been doing this for a year. I will make you more money, I will save you hundreds of hours of your life, and if you put in the work, I guarantee you that you will start making life-changing money, whether it's from this strategy, or hard rugs, or soft rugs, or pump and dumps, or launching for the creator rewards. If you actually apply the knowledge inside of Viper, if you literally just turn your brain off, watch the videos, and work, you will make insane sums of money. With that being said, I hope to see you inside of Viper, but if not, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.